Right, hello everybody. So fairly quick video today, which I'm just making to act as a warning really to anybody who might have one of these Xiaomi Mi Electric Scooters that's been affected by the safety recall that was issued recently. This one was, and we just got this one back after supposedly being repaired just yesterday. I've just unpacked it and I'm literally shocked by what I've seen. I'm just about to show you that now. So here's this little label on the box, by the way, that supposedly is supposed to indicate that they've repaired it. But look at this. So I've got my hand on the top of the steering here, and watch what happens as I turn the steering. Now, I'm not trying to deliberately make it turn all notchy like that. That's how it is, that's how it's steering. And look what happens as I turn it round to the middle. Can you see that, the way it kind of seems to almost slot into a restriction there? I mean, if you push past, you can make it go the other way. But look what happens, look. So on the way back, notchy, notchy, notchy. In the middle, it's literally sort of slots into that restriction. Can you see that? And then notchy, notchy, notchy. Now, if you've got your scooter back after supposedly being repaired, and it's like that, and you know, maybe you're not that mechanically minded and you just trust the company and you trust that they've done a correct repair, and maybe you think, well, that's fine, that's how it's supposed to be. Believe me, that's definitely not how it's supposed to be. If that was a car or a motorbike or something, and you took it in for MOT, and MOT, by the way, I'm in the UK, so if you're watching from abroad, it's like what you guys in the US call inspection. It's like the yearly safety, legal yearly safety check that vehicles have to go through in most countries. So if you took this in for inspection, MOT, whatever you want to call it, you know, if it was a car or a motorbike, it would not pass, that would fail. There is no way that is correct. Now, this would actually make the bike, I believe, difficult and dangerous to ride, even if it just stayed in this state of operation. But my bigger concern would be whatever's causing that kind of notchiness. What if it completely breaks or completely binds up? Then you're going to completely lose steering control. So, as I say, I'm shocked that this came back like this, because I discovered this literally within 10 seconds of taking it out of the box, literally. I mean, because the part that was affected by the safety recall, from what I understand, is somewhere in here. I don't know exactly where, but somewhere in there. So surely, you know, if you've done a supposed repair affecting, you know, this bit, which is obviously central to the steering, surely the first thing you would do as a check after that supposed repair is try the steering, and you would straight away see that it's wrong. So this thing has obviously supposedly been repaired and then shipped back to us. I can only assume without being checked at all, like not even such a basic check as just kind of like making sure that's turning round. I mean, it is absolutely unbelievable. I'm shocked. I think that's the only word I can use to describe it, really. Anyway, I'm ranting a little bit there. So if you got a situation like this with one of these, you know, please don't ride it like that. Get back in touch with Xiaomi and get them to sort it out. That's exactly what I'm going to do. In fact, I'm sort of feeling like I've lost confidence in it, really, because I was a bit disappointed that they had to have the safety recall in the first place, and now that it's come back like this, you know, I feel like I've lost confidence in it, really. So I don't know what I'm going to be doing exactly. I might just insist that they take it back and give me my money back. But anyway, I am going to do a follow-up to let you know how I got on. But in the meantime, I just wanted to get this video out there to act as a warning, really, to anybody who might sort of be in the same position with one of these. So hopefully that might be helpful to you. Cheers. Bye-bye.